Well, hey everybody, we're gonna be jumping into this Chaos Riders video. We do have a pop quiz.
Enjoying your day.
We do have a pop quiz during this, so pay attention.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's check it out.
A little bit of a heads up there. Ooh, shouldn't be saying anything. All right, Grom Squatch. Here we go. We've seen this one. The guy pulls out. Just kidding. That's what she said. He went off the road a little bit, but he found that escape path. That's one of the big things here. So we have that side of the vehicle. This is gonna be that orange stage. We should be prepped and ready. Remember, we're planning a ride, so positioning for safety. So we need to find our escape paths. Good line of sight, but we're locating this hazard situation. This is a relevant threat if they keep pulling out, so we have to navigate, find that escape path, utilize it, and we go ahead and do this. Found it, didn't haul booty, didn't slam the brakes, slowed down before we lost traction on the gravel, so we did pretty good here. So remember, guys, we do have a pop quiz coming up. So DC 400, it's not really a pop quiz if I say it, right? So it's just a quiz. Okay. I won't say that for any of the other ones. All right, DC 400, side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle, sun in.
Damn it.
Sun to our back. Good job with the braking. Good job with the braking, but look at sun at our back. We have that side of the vehicle. We're going to be in orange stage, right? We're going to be in orange stage. But why did they not see us? Write in the comments. You guys know. We got the sun in our back, sun in their eyes. They're looking left around this blind corner coming up, and they just kind of went. So good job on this rider for paying attention and using progressive braking.
Damn it.
Enough. And didn't crash.
Crazy, man.
Saved himself. Did fine.
Oh, my God.
All right, here we go. Steve John.
On the motorcycle on this one. This rider had just stopped at a red light when this happened.
Side mirrors. Whoa! Ooh! So when we talk about planning our ride, this is where we don't want to be. We don't want to be right behind the vehicle. Okay? So what we want to be, where we want to be, we're going to be back where the motorcyclist is, but this is basically the position I want you guys to be in, either off to the sides. Okay? Lane filtering position, because if somebody did that, they're going to hopefully run into the red Toyota and then maybe clip our right leg, maybe clip our left leg. But they're not going to smash us and basically get us dead. Okay, so we want to be off to the side. So when we talk about positioning for safety, we're locating that this is a hazardous situation because it's an intersection. We're orange stage. We're locating. We're going to assess, hey, no real threats yet. But I'm going to go ahead and position myself into a position over here so that I'm out of the way. And if you can lane filter in your country, in your state, in your jurisdiction, wherever, I recommend doing that. How would you recommend positioning in a group ride in this situation, Ryan? That's a great question. Stay staggered. Stay staggered, because now you have a bunch of different people with their lights on, movement. Best bet is that nobody gets hit, but you at least are more visible this way. I mean, we're wearing red with a red motorcycle, I believe. With a red car, we blended in. But when you have like a white Harley, a red vehicle, you have a Grom over here, you have like a bunch of people moving around, removing that inattentional blindness and motion-induced blindness, because if you just stay still, just like a sniper or any type of camouflage, if you're staying still, it's hard to be seen, but as soon as that guy in camouflage starts moving, you can see him. And that's kind of what we're trying to do, is be seen by a little bit of movement going on. Great question. Group ride turns into a bowling match in this situation? I hope not. I hope not. But sometimes that's what happens. John T, here we go. All right, we're at a track. Guess what? We're low side? We're going to do low side. Typically what happens, because we're pushing it to the limits, but then here we go. Barely slide off. We're doing full gear, doing well. Moving on. Dirt dog racing. A little bit of fun here. A little bit of fun. Oh, don't go. There we go. Oh, passing up. There goes the bike. I kind of did that on the Harley. All right, here we go. We got a pop quiz. So this is the frame, at the very beginning. This is right before what happens, and then we're going to see what happens, and then we're going to see after what happens. But what stages were they in? Were they positioning for safety? Did they locate a hazardous situation? What do you guys think happens during this?
Here we have a rider that took the turn a little too fast, a little too wide, and unfortunately, he wasn't able to save it.
Here we go. Drive Pita Chip. Went a little too wide. Dumped the bike. We're working on the pop quiz stuff. Don't worry. It's going to evolve.
I'm all good.
I already can tell that I should probably write less on there.
I'm all good.
Sure.
It's all good, full gear.
Take a seat. Take a seat.
So we went a little bit wide. Okay, you're trying to keep up with our buddies here. This is one reason why we wear Cardo Pack Talk edges and bolds and everything here. We get Cardo units because we can talk to each other and be like, hey, you're going a little too fast. I'm going to slow it down. I'll meet you where we go. So right here we have a sign on the right. It's going to be a sharp left, sharp right. 25 miles an hour recommended. So this is actually giving you a good indication we should probably be going slow. But either way, in the corners, we should be in orange stage. We should be doing solo press and roll. But these guys are doing what they want to do. That's perfectly fine. Wear full gear because as a smart rider, at least you acquire and use personal protective equipment. That's super needed. So we're going super low right here, but we shot out. Went a little bit too wide. Okay, we maintained throttle and even increased our throttle going into it. When you decrease that throttle, you actually come in a little bit sharper. That's why we do slow look press roll. So overall, did pretty well. So this was more of a too fast. Speed was a factor.
Oh, man.
You love your Cardo Balcor? Yeah.
Yeah.
Take a seat. Take a seat.
Hey, I'm all good.
Guys, remember to sign up for the MTC Rider Academy. The MTC Rider Academy is $100 a year, but you get not only the course, the basic Smart Rider course. Ayo, let's go ahead and get out of that. The basic Smart Rider course, which includes Unit 1 right now. Unit 2 is coming out. But yeah, you get the BRC, the MTC library, which has all our downloadables, and the actual drill booklet. So let's go ahead and get right back into that.
A higher risk for getting into an accident or a close call.
146, 150, golly. Oh, geez. Going a little bit too fast, 160, hit a bump. Is this miles per hour? What do you guys think? Oh, got pushed out. Watch out for those potholes in the rumble strips. Was speed a factor in this one, Bassin? Speed a factor?
The type of drivers that need to get their license taken away.
I like that Kaos Riders is talking on here.
Biker, and they're just
Whoa! We've seen this one before. So what do you guys think? This is going to be an open lane pattern. I think the driver here wasn't paying attention, and then as soon as he saw that he was coming up on this person, had to swerve. What do you guys think? That's what I think.
They came so close to hitting that biker.
Then they swerved.
Just in a big hurry to get to nowhere.
My best guess, because they're not over here hauling booty right now. That's a great indication of what a good line of sight looks like. So right now, this is terrible line of sight. Watch him move to the position over here. So he moves over into more of a lane filtering position. This is how I like to ride, is more in a lane filtering. Because right here, you can't see past the vehicle. Okay, you can't see past the vehicle. But the moment we switch over lane positions, right here, look how far we can see. And then look at, you can see what's in front of this vehicle, and this vehicle, and this vehicle, and this vehicle. Interesting. Yeah, the guy doesn't care. They don't care. Not much you can do about it. Just save yourself. Talico's World. Oh, we got somebody merging out in front of us. Not a big deal. Get some progressive braking going on. Okay, it is an intersection, so we should be in orange stage. Watch out for that side of the vehicle. Interesting. Don't worry about it. Increase your space cushion. Roll off your throttle. What? Wait. What is that? So we're bypassing everybody. We're bypassing this huge group of people. Gets pissed off at somebody going into the right lane, which is a right turn only lane. Because we were hauling ass through this situation. At the light, the driver turns right. And we perform something illegal. Get over yourself, dude. Calm down. Calm down. Yam rider.
Backstory on this one.
Zip ties.
We have a rider that was lane splitting here, while the white truck that you see here was.
Let's take the context of what the rider says without putting it on video. Yeah, we're not doing that. We're not doing that. We're not doing that. Give me the full context,
This
buddy.
rider was going pretty fast down the freeway, but what he didn't notice is the motorcycle cop right behind.
Oh, snap. We're going pretty fast during the highway. We got a motorcycle cop. I think we've seen this one. Ooh, right on his butt. We've seen a few motorcycle cops kind of do. There he is. I don't think we've seen this one. He's got a sweet stash. I haven't seen a cop with a stash yet.
He definitely lucked out
He just stared him down with that stash. Man.
on this one.
All right, he's got himself a ram mount. Gotta get a quad lock, though. Come on now. Come on now. Whoa! Right. Wait, we just... Same...
He lucked out on
It's
this.
the same person. Oh, okay. So it's a different day because he doesn't have a ram mount there, but he has it here. Come on, man. You can't be going this fast in lane filtering like that. Whew. Lane splitting way too fast. Way too fast, buddy. I think you know that, though. Oh, yeah. Go ahead and get some information, possibly. Okay. We're good. Okay. Yeah, we're good. So we have, you got the MSF in 2 hours. What are some things I should know before I go in? Just go ahead and take it easy. You're an absolute beginner. Go in there with a beginner's mind. Just absorb as much as you possibly can. Don't guilt yourself and don't shame yourself for doing something wrong, answering the wrong question. You're participating. You're doing what you want to do, and you're trying to be better. Okay, so you're already doing a lot, man. You're doing great, Evan. Don't worry too much. All right, so we got this one right here. Let's go and take a look at this Cool Breeze Rider. We got something in the road. Look at the road surface hazards. No es bueno. Oh, it's pointing at something?
This rider was just going down the road.
Oh, pointing at something.
Notified that another biker went down.
Okay, so make sure you guys get a rescue pack.
Instead of just
We have rescue packs in the shop.
stopped to check on the other rider.
Oh, we've seen this one. He just pulls up. Rider's kind of like doing its thing. Yeah, so make sure you guys have a rescue pack. We talk about that here at the rescue. Remain calm, ensure on safety, stop major bleeds, and then the back of the rescue card. All right, here we go. Bike is life on the Kentish roads. Interesting name. Pretty long. That's what she said. All right, we're going through here. Uncommon thing. Brake. Got to find that escape path. Get yourself out of there. At this point, since you're much smaller, see if the BMW can move over a little bit to the right, and then you can move this way. Are we just going to sit here? Oh, okay. We're not going to do road rage. We're not doing road rage. We're good. Interesting bike. We're good. Okay, that's the end of the video. Go ahead and call somebody on your quad lock phone. Thank you, Chaos Riders. Make sure you guys grab yourself a donut. But if you got the pop quiz right, write it in the comments. We're going to be updating these things. But at the same time, we're going to be doing these live streams. Make sure you sign up for free on Discord and at the MTC Rider Academy because we're going to be sharing unlisted live streams. It's invite only, so make sure you guys do that. With that said, hope you guys ride safe, be safe, and I'll see you guys around.